Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to set the 3-button navigation or gestures. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got two options. So let me first of all discuss buttons. If you've got the gestures, you'd like to set buttons, simply tap on this first option on the left, and now at the bottom you've got the option button layout. So you can reorder the back button and the recents. It depends which option you prefer, of course. Here you can also wake a digital assistant from Google with home button, so it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. If you'd like to set the gestures, simply tap on this animation here, and your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the tutorial and learn how to use the gestures. You can do it just by tapping on Learn. I don't want to because I already know how to do it. Moreover, I will explain it in a second with all of the movement and other stuff. But let me simply go back, and now instead of the 3 buttons we do not have actually anything because we've got the guide bar hidden, but usually you will see this line at the bottom of the screen. You can hide it just by using this first option, and it's obviously up to you whether you want to use it or not. Here we've got the option switch to previous app and mistouch prevention. It's basically up to you whether you want to use them. Yeah, up to you. This is the customization. Here we've got also the sensitivity to back gesture. You can set it on the lower and higher end, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you'd like to quickly move between them, swipe your finger from the left to the right or from the right to the left at the very bottom of the screen, and as you can see now, you can quickly change between the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.